Okay guys, under this graphics design module, here are some of the things we are going to be covering: how to design professional flyers, how to design business logos, how to create product designs, how to design and format ebooks, how to design 3D book cover and mockups, how to design stunning social media graphics, how to design business cards and posters, and how to monetize your graphics designing tool. Okay, so in each of these I'll be picking a sample and then showing you practically how you can reproduce the same. Then you try your hands on each of them. Okay, but before we get into all of this, I want to show you how to get copyright free images and videos that you can use for your graphics design or your videos. Okay, because on the internet there are laws that protects people's digital content, okay, people's product. Okay, and besides, it's not ethical of you to just pick up somebody's content, maybe picture or video, and start using it on your own product. Okay, so that's why this is very important. I'll be showing you two sources where you can get free copyright free images and copyright free videos, and then I'll show you where to get copyright free music, okay, background music that you can use for your image designs, video editings, and every other thing you will need all of this for. Okay, so that you will not find yourself violating any copyright policy. Okay, so the first place is pixels.com. So in pixels.com you'll be able to download free videos, images, and all of that. Okay, so you can always use them as elements, as backgrounds, or as part of your designs, okay, whenever you need them. So let's say for instance you need a design that maybe has an ocean in the background. You can just come here and pick this and download it. Okay, or you want to search for a particular term, you can come here and search for maybe shoes. Let's say you want to create a product design and you need shoes in that design. You can come to Pixels and search for shoes. Okay, you can be more specific. You type in the type of shoe you have. If it is available on Pixels, you can just download it straight up without being afraid of copyright strikes. Okay, then the next place is Pixabay. Is another place you can get free images and videos from. Okay, you can always come to Pixabay. They have a lot of images and all of that for free. Like this one is a very nice it will be very nice for backgrounds. Okay, this desert view here, you can just come and download. Where is the, okay, look at it, you can just free download. Okay, and then it will be downloaded to your device. So you choose the quality and size you want to download it in, and then click I'm not a robot. The download process is actually very simple. Just follow the prompt that will be given to you and then you have it. Okay, parking meters, there should be a parking meter here. Okay, verify. Traffic lights, verify. Okay, then you click download. Once you verify the captcha, as you can see, the download is complete. Okay, then for background music, maybe you are creating videos and you need some kind of music in the background as the video roll along. You can just come to Ben Sound background music. Okay, just come to Ben Sound. This is where I get my background music from, bensound.com. okay, so once you come here, you see thousands of music you can use in your video backgrounds for free. Okay, you are not paying for them, and then nobody will come and claim copyright ownership for them. Okay, although there are those that you can pay, okay, if you have the money to, or you want the exclusive right to them. Okay, but there are a lot of other free background music that should serve you very well. Okay, as you can see, this one is free download and all of that. Okay, so these are places where you can get stock images, videos, and background music for free. Okay, so you don't have to Sometimes some of these images here on Google are actually protected by copyright. It's just God that is protecting you, that's why they are not flagging you that. But if you come here, you are not going to have any of that. Okay, so now we'll move into the next lesson.